The first thing is open Google Sheets. I will create a new file. I rename the file to the upload file. Example, you can rename whatever name you want. And I will open extensions, AppScript, rename again the file like upload file or whenever name you want, and I will paste my code and I will explain right now. The first thing is show dialog for show a dialog, a modal dialog, and next I use this template for use pop message HTML file that I will create in a moment, and I will give a title to this modal dialog file upload. Okay, I will create this file, so create a new HTML file and give a name pop message like I said in the code. Okay, here I will paste again my code and I will explain that I only have three HTML tags. That is input for the file, that is a button, upload button, that will run this function upload files, and this function is here. First thing I will do is change the message. Message is this message, this message is this tag. Empty initially, and then when I click the button, this text will show to the user. Next, the file. The file is this file uploader, that is the tag input file. Okay, and next one rater, filler rater for read the file. Read as data URL for convert to base 64. And for the results, I need to use this onload method. And with this, I get the base 64 part of the file. Google Script run for access to my function in the code.js, and the function I will run is this: upload files to Google Drive, that receives three elements, that is the data, the name, and the type of the file, that is here. And if this runs successfully, I will run this, that give me the return of the function. Later I will explain that the return of this function. And I want to change the message, the same message that I will speak before. So I change it to the uploaded that, and I insert a link with that return. Okay, the upload file function, as I said, receive three elements, that is data, name, and type. And the first thing I will do is convert the data to the base 64 or the code. Next I will create a blob, and next I need a folder when I store my data, my file. So I go to the drive, I go to any folder. I have a problem here, I will refresh. Okay, go to a folder, and in the URL you can see your ID folder. This is that. I will copy mine and paste here. Okay, it's the same, and create new file with create file blob. It's important to understand that the folder need to be accessible to the final user that is using the sheet. So if you need share with that person, please do. And the property of the file is of the final user. Okay. I make this for print the results in the URL, and I will print in the data sheet that I didn't create. I will create now. Rename to the data, and I give some headers. like name, like ID, like size, URL, size, and created at uncreated. Yes, the final thing is return the URL. As I said, this return is same as this letter IA, and you will return the URL. So the final thing is to show the dialog. For that, I will insert a new draw, insert and draw, and I will create something simple like a square or whenever, and make a text like a blood, and save and close. I don't know why this. Save and close, and three dots, and sync a new command, and I will paste the title of the function. Test. Okay, and I need to save all my code. Save here, and not only here, also the HTML file. Okay, and I will click to prove. This thing always will show the first time that will run for the final user. So you need to speak with the final user that this dialog always will show the first time. Okay, and we need to do this always the first time. Okay, and next I will click to execute. You see the dialog. I will choose the file like this, upload, you see the text, and you see the link. I will click the link. The PDF is in Drive, and if you want to see more information, that is here in data sheet. Okay, thank you. Subscribe for more videos, for more short videos, sorry, and goodbye.